Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to activate Kit Space on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select Security, and now you should choose Kit Space. Here you can personalize it, so first of all select duration allowed for each use, and now you can pick from 15 minutes to unrestricted period of time. Let me pick, for example, 30 minutes. Then you have to pick apps allowed, so just go to this tab and now select which application will be allowed while this mode is on. So for example, camera, music, photos, and we will deactivate YouTube. And now go back. And finally you can activate turn off mobile network mode. So if you will switch it on, your device will be cut off network once the Kit Space is activated. So if everything has been set up, just tap on Enter Kit Space. Turn on. And now you have to enter your passcode. And here it is, that's how Kit Space look like. So your kiddo has access only to these free applications. And if you would like to quit it, just tap on Quit Kit Space. And one more time, enter a PIN code. That's it, now you are back in your standard mode with all applications active. That's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.